it's me, Malika, and I just got another package in the mail. Make sure that you watch my other videos of me opening other gig starter packages. But here it is. Now, let me tell you, this is the plainest one yet. Like, no branding. The front says it's from Blue Mark. Doesn't even say anything about Shipt, which is, I know what it's from. So let's open it up and see what is inside. Okay. So we have an envelope from Shipt. It's addressed to Shipt Shopper, Shipt Corporate, Valencia, California. Let me open it up and see what it says inside. Okay, so right here we have the Shipt credit card. It's a Visa debit card, actually. Commercial prepaid card for Shipt Shopper. A little note about like if it's lost. Here's some tips for how to use your credit card for like the Shipt platform. And then I also got the Shipt welcome letter. It's just saying, ready to start shopping. Here's the 6 things you need to do. Check your inbox, find answers to your questions, download and set up the app, create your own schedule, begin planning ahead, and get to support 24/7. Like, it's like all the other ones I got. And then this, I'm so excited because none of the other things like sent me just a free shirt. Okay, camera, help me out here. The Shipt t-shirt, and then on the back it has a little logo that says Shipt. I ordered it in a size medium. I thought I ordered it in a size small, but it's in a size medium. It looks like it should fit me and probably shrink a little bit in the wash. Yeah, so Shipt is basically like Instacart, where you go to the stores, buy the groceries for the person, and then deliver them. There's like same tipping type of rules, same grocery carrying bag types of rules. But if you are interested in making money on Shipt, I made over $500, almost close to $600 on Instacart my first week. So I'm seeing how Shipt compares to that. And Instacart, I did it for like 2 days, 2 or 3 days, I think, and not even full days. So if you're interested in signing up for Shipt, use my referral link down in the notes below. And then if you did sign up using my referral link, just drop me a comment so then I can thank you for doing that. If you want to watch any of my other videos, they should be popping up here on the screen. There's ones where I open up Postmates things, and hopefully I'll be approved for DoorDash soon, so I'll be opening up a DoorDash bag. But thanks for watching, and see you guys later.